Every morning began the same way for Elias Hart and time. For nearly 50 years, ticking clocks had been his companions. But lately, fewer people came through the old shop door. Most people carry digital time now, not mechanical memories. And his eyes no longer served him like they once did. That evening, he made a decision he had long avoided. The shop would close forever at the end of summer. He expected relief. Instead, he felt strangely hollow inside. Packing away a lifetime proved harder than he expected. Then he opened a drawer untouched for many years. Inside rested an antique pocket watch he immediately recognized. It was the only watch he had never repaired successfully. The customer never returned. The mystery was never solved. Suddenly, retirement could wait. One final challenge. He promised himself he would fix it before retiring. Day after day, he examined every tiny component carefully. Yet the watch remained stubbornly silent and unmoved. Soon, the puzzle occupied his thoughts morning and night. Other memories waited quietly while he chased the answer. One photograph reminded him of someone he had neglected. Years had passed since he and Clara truly talked. He always believed there would be time later for family. Even now, fixing things felt easier than facing feelings. Then he spotted something he had never noticed before. A faint marking suggested the watch concealed another compartment. For the first time, he felt genuine hope again. Hours disappeared as he carefully explored every possibility. Still, the watch refused to reveal its secret. Meanwhile, life outside continued moving without waiting. He noticed families sharing moments he had often missed. Some memories returned more often than he wanted. More than once, he considered calling Clara that week. Each time, doubt convinced him to wait another day. Instead, he returned to the watch and its mystery. Something inside resisted opening, almost as if protected. He slowed down and trusted experience over frustration. Then a hidden piece shifted slightly beneath his tools. His heart raced. The watch was finally revealing itself. Inside was not a broken gear or missing spring. Hidden there was a note, untouched for many years. At the bottom, one name remained clearly written: Thomas Reed. The first sentence immediately stopped him from breathing comfortably. This watch was never meant to keep perfect time. It reminded me to spend time with people I loved. The note explained why the watch had been altered. Nothing inside was broken. It had been designed that way. Some things matter more than measuring minutes and seconds. Those words echoed through memories he had avoided for years. He remembered opportunities that never returned once they passed. He had spent decades fixing watches instead of relationships. This time, he did not let doubt stop him. On the other end, Clara answered after a pause. The conversation started awkwardly, weighed down by old silence. For once, Elias stopped explaining and simply listened. The distance between them slowly became smaller than before. A week later, they met face to face again. Lost years could not return, but healing finally could. Eventually, the day arrived to close the shop forever. This time, he felt peace instead of emptiness inside. He finally understood what the watch had been teaching. We cannot repair lost time, but we can choose how we spend what remains. Elias found peace when he stopped measuring life and started living it.